Hi, welcome to this course, PLC Automation, an introduction to programmable logic controller. I am Professor Yao. PLC Advanced Comparison Functions. The keywords: Advanced PLC, Advanced Compare Function, Limit test, mask compare equal to, compare expression. Three often useful comparison functions included in some advanced PLCs are limit test function, mask compare equal to function, compare expression function. In this section, we describe the use of each of these advanced compare functions. The limit test function. The keywords: a varying value, the varying value and the two limits, between the high and low limits, outsider the limits. Suppose that you want to see if a varying value is between two limits, which are either fixed or varying. With the limit function, you need to program only one function. The function block is shown in figure 12.11a. There are three inputs: the varying value and the two limits. Figure 12.11b shows the two applications of the limit function. The first determines if the value is between the high and low limits. The second, with the low limit greater than the higher limit, shows if the value being evaluated is outside the limits. Figure shows the function of limit test. This figure shows the example of limit. The mask comparison equal to function. The keywords: the mask, unmasked bit pairs, bit in two registers. No comparison is made. The function compares bits in two registers stacktively. The mask is used to denote which bits to compare and which not to compare. The function is shown in figure 12.12a. The use of the mask is illustrated in figure 12.12b. Where a mask bit is 1, the comparison is made. When the mask is 0, no comparison is made. When enabled, the function goes on if all unmasked bit pairs matched. If one or more pairs do not match, the function remains off. This figure shows the mask function. This figure shows the masked comparison function works. The compare expression function. The keywords: Values of complex expression, the valid operations, phi comparison function. This function compares values of complex expression. For example, you wish to determine whether one side of an equation was equal to the other side. You would program. This is the equation. Any of the other phi comparison functions can also be applied. The valid operations for advanced Allen-Bradley PLC are shown in figure 12.13. When enabled, the CMP function checks the equation values. If the equation is true, the output goes on. If false, the output remains off. This picture shows valid operation for use in a CMP expression of Allen-Bradley PLC. Exercise the keyword. Each with sensor to count input and output of parts, entering and leaving the conveyor. 3 indicating lights for the process. There are 2 conveyors, each with sensors to count input and output of parts, entering and leaving the conveyors, as in example 12.8 for one conveyor. There are to be 3 indicating lights for the process as follows. Number of parts on the conveyor equal white light. Number of parts on conveyor 1 is greater green light. Number of parts on conveyor 2 is greater blue light. Homework. Handwriting all keywords and submitting them to Coach Facebook. Just do the online quiz. And see you next time.